So, is Lenn Holland actually worth your money in 2026? Here's the quick take. At first glance, Lenn Holland looks premium. The website is polished, the branding feels classy, and it's clearly aimed at mature men looking for timeless pieces like loafers, knitwear, and casual jackets. But here's where you need to be careful. Lenn Holland operates on a direct-to-consumer shipping model, which usually means they're sourcing products from overseas manufacturers and shipping them straight to you. In simple terms, it's very likely a drop-shipping setup. That means prices are often heavily marked up for items you can sometimes find much cheaper on platforms like AliExpress or Temu. There's also the usual risk of inconsistent sizing, long shipping times, sometimes up to 4 weeks, and returns can be expensive if products need to be shipped back overseas. My advice? If you spot something you like, screenshot it and run it through Google Lens first. You might find the exact same item elsewhere for half the price. Outro. Overall, Lenn Holland isn't necessarily a scam, but for most buyers, it's probably not worth the premium. You're usually better off sticking with established brands that offer reliable quality and easy local returns.